Hello. Today I have 2011 Dodge Durango 57 RT. I want to show you where is the oil brusher switch location and how to get the EC compressor out. So if you go under the car, the passenger side, behind the oil filter housing, here is the oil brusher switch. You just take out the red lip, just push it out my way, take it out this way, then you disconnect the sensor, then you get a 27 millimeter socket to replace this sensor, or the oil brusher sensor socket from AutoZone to get the sensor out. And the easy way to get the compressor out is the other side, the driver's side, right here. You just unbelt, take the belt off with the tensioner right here, right there, with the 3/8 millimeter wrench. And then first you have to bleed the Furrion. Then you gotta disconnect those hoses, all of them 13 millimeter bolt, and then 17 millimeter bolt, and then you're gonna have to remove this bolt, and there is one behind here, right there, to get the EC compressor out. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.